Hey guys, how's it going? How to read exit poll results. Reading exit poll results can be straightforward if you focus on key elements. Here's a short guide on how to interpret them. So, exit polls are surveys conducted on voters as they leave polling sections, stations. Used to predict election outcomes and understand voter demographics. Check the percentage of support for each candidate or party received. This gives a quick overview on of the election landscape. And check the margin of error. This indicates the potential error in the polling results. A similar margin suggests more confidence in the results. Pay attention to how different groups, age, gender, race, etc., voted, and this can reveal trends and shifts in voter sentiment. Look for trends compared to past elections to gauge chances. To gauge changes in voter behavior, and then identify any notable swings in support or changes in participation from a specific demographic. And keep in mind that exit polls are not official results, they are just snapshots of voter intention and can be influenced by various factors. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for